Here are 5 things you didn't know about King Lalibella's incredible rock churches in Ethiopia. First, these weren't built up from the ground like normal churches. Instead, workers carved 40 feet straight down into solid volcanic rock, creating underground cathedrals. They had to remove millions of tons of stone, one chisel strike at a time. Second, the Church of St. George was carved in a perfect Greek cross shape. The mathematical precision required rivals modern engineering capabilities. Third, every single window, pillar, and dome was carved from one continuous piece of rock. No separate stones were ever added or assembled. Fourth, despite being completely underground, they never flood. The builders created an intricate drainage system that still works perfectly today. Fifth, this medieval African engineering feat took 24 years of continuous excavation. These are the only churches in the world carved downward instead of built upward, making them absolutely unique in global architecture.